Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE revision video. In this video we're looking at the 8300 series. This is the June 2017 past paper. It's the third paper in the foundation tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators, and we're picking up in question 8, which reads, "Here is information about the goals scored in some hockey games. Each game has 4 quarters." And we're given a table here with the number of goals going up the y-axis, and we've got our 4 quarters. Okay, so this is just a straightforward bar chart. In question 8.8 says, which quarter was the mode for away goals? Circle your answer. Okay, so the mode or modal average is the one that occurs most. So which bar is tallest for the away goals? So which is the tallest grey bar? Which quarter is the tallest grey bar in? And that would be the second quarter. So with 8 away goals, that's the mode. That's the one that there was most of. So that's the second quarter for 1 mark. Okay, so 8b says there were 10 games. Work out the mean number of goals per game. Okay, so the mean is the average where you add them all up and divide by how many there are. So we know there are 10 games, so we've got to divide by 10. And we're looking at the total number of goals divided by 10. So in the first quarter at home we've got 4 plus 2. So that's 4 plus 2 plus, and then there's another 4 plus, what's this one? That's 8 plus, and that's another 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus, I'll make that 5. Okay, and that's equal to, I'm going to need my calculator. Okay, so I've got my calculator, so I'm just going to plug these numbers in. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 47, and then 47 divided by 10, because there are 10 games in all, is equal to 4.7. Okay, part C says, in total how many more home goals were scored than away goals? Okay, so the home goals were 4 plus, that's this 4 here, plus then this 4, because they were home, away, home, away, home, away, so 4 plus, and then this 4, so this 8, plus 9, and then the away would have been 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. I'll just double check that with the chart. So yes, home is first and then away. Okay, so that's equal to, well, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Uh, 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. You can use a calculator, of course. 25 minus 22 is 3. So there were 3 more home goals than away goals. And part D says, Rob says, more home teams must have won because there were more home goals. Is he correct? Well, he's correct that there were more home goals, but that doesn't necessarily mean that more home teams won. Some home teams might have won by a large number of goals, just because more home goals were scored during the 10 matches does not necessarily mean that more matches were won. He's probably right, but he's not necessarily right, so I'm going to write no. And let's try and work out how to word this. I'm actually going to actually type it. Not necessarily. Some home games might have been won by a large number of goals. Because if you scored a lot of goals in 1 or 2 games, you could still have lost most of your matches, but still have had more home goals overall. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.